Your snake plant used to stand tall and proud, but now the leaves are leaning, bending, or even falling over. Before you tie them up or cut them off, stop. Drooping leaves are almost always your plant's way of warning you that something underground or inside the leaves is going wrong. The good news? Most snake plants can recover if you act quickly and fix the real cause instead of the symptom. In today's video, you'll learn exactly why snake plant leaves lose their stability and the proven methods to restore strong, upright growth naturally. Let's bring your plant back to perfect form. Tip 1. Check the roots first. A drooping snake plant often starts with unhealthy roots. Carefully remove the plant from its pot and inspect the root system. Healthy roots should be firm, white, or light orange. If you find black, brown, mushy, or foul-smelling roots, root rot is likely causing the leaves to collapse because the plant can no longer absorb enough water and nutrients. Trim away all damaged roots using sterilized scissors. Repot the plant into fresh, fast-draining soil. Healthy roots provide the anchor that keeps every leaf standing upright and allow the plant to rebuild strength from below. Tip 2. Improve soil stability. Loose, soggy soil can't support heavy snake plant leaves. Replace compacted potting mix with a chunky succulent blend containing coarse sand, pumice, and perlite. This creates a firm yet breathable growing medium that supports the root system while allowing excess water to drain rapidly. Dense mineral particles prevent the base of the leaves from shifting whenever the pot is moved or watered. Stable roots mean stable foliage. Well-balanced soil also encourages stronger root development, helping your snake plant remain upright as new leaves emerge throughout the growing season. Tip 3. Water only when necessary. Overwatering is one of the biggest reasons snake plant leaves become soft and floppy. Wait until the soil is completely dry, several inches below the surface, before watering thoroughly. During winter, watering may only be necessary once every 3 to 5 weeks. In warmer months, watering every 2 to 4 weeks is usually sufficient, depending on your home's temperature and humidity. Proper watering restores healthy internal water pressure inside each leaf without drowning the roots. Consistency is the secret to maintaining firm, upright foliage throughout the year. Tip 4. Give brighter, indirect light. Snake plants survive in dim rooms, but become much stronger under bright, indirect sunlight. Low light slows growth, weakens leaf tissue, and causes tall leaves to lean toward available light sources. Place your plant near an east-facing window or a bright, south-facing room where it receives filtered sunlight for several hours daily. Rotate the pot every week so every side receives equal exposure. Balanced lighting strengthens leaf fibers, encourages compact growth, and helps maintain the beautiful, upright shape snake plants are famous for. Tip 5. Choose the right pot. An oversized pot holds moisture far longer than the roots can absorb, increasing the risk of root rot and unstable growth. Select a container only 1 to 2 inches wider than the root ball. Heavy ceramic or terracotta pots provide extra weight that prevents tall snake plants from tipping over. Always ensure the container has drainage holes to eliminate excess water quickly. The right pot creates both physical support and a healthier root environment, allowing leaves to remain vertical without artificial stakes. Tip 6. Remove weak or damaged leaves. Leaves that have folded sharply or become severely damaged rarely regain their original strength. Remove these leaves cleanly at the base using sterilized pruning shears. This improves airflow, reduces disease risk, and redirects the plant's energy toward producing healthier new growth. Avoid trimming only the tips, as damaged tissue won't recover. Removing weak foliage also improves the plant's balance, preventing healthy leaves from being pushed outward by older collapsing ones. Tip 7. Feed during active growth. A nutrient-deficient snake plant grows thinner, weaker leaves that struggle to remain upright. During spring and summer, feed monthly using a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Avoid fertilizing in fall and winter when growth naturally slows. Proper nutrition encourages stronger cell walls, thicker foliage, and healthier roots. Combined with good lighting and watering, regular feeding produces firm leaves capable of supporting their own weight for years. Tip 5. Increase air circulation. Poor airflow keeps soil damp longer and encourages fungal diseases that weaken the root system. Place your snake plant where gentle air movement helps excess moisture evaporate. Avoid crowded corners where humidity stays trapped around the pot. Good circulation strengthens plant tissues while reducing the chance of mold and bacterial infections. Healthy roots, supported by proper airflow, translate directly into healthier, stronger leaves with improved stability. Tip 9. Support severely leaning leaves temporarily. If several leaves are already falling over, temporary support can prevent additional damage while the plant recovers. Use soft plant ties and slender bamboo stakes to hold leaves upright without squeezing them. Avoid tying leaves tightly together, which can trap moisture and encourage rot. Once healthy roots have recovered and proper watering is established, gradually remove the supports. Temporary stabilization protects the foliage while the plant naturally rebuilds its strength from the roots upward. Tip 10. Be patient with recovery. Snake plants recover slowly because they store water inside thick leaves rather than growing rapidly. After correcting watering, soil, lighting, and root issues, give your plant several weeks or even a few months to stabilize. New leaves will emerge stronger and stand upright naturally, while older, damaged leaves may never fully recover. Focus on healthy new growth instead of expecting bent leaves to straighten completely. Consistent care always delivers better long-term results than frequent changes in routine. Drooping snake plant leaves don't mean your plant is dying. They're simply telling you that something needs attention. By checking the roots, improving soil structure with coarse sand and perlite, adjusting watering habits, providing brighter indirect light, and giving your plant time to recover, you can restore its signature upright beauty. Healthy roots create healthy leaves, and consistent care is always more effective than quick fixes. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more indoor plant care guides, and let us know in the comments what caused your snake plant to droop and how did you fix it?